In this video, we will install IntelliJ IDEA to run Java programs. If you watch the video without skipping, you will start creating Java applications without any problems at the end of the video. We need a development kit to run Java programs on our computer. I added the link to the site in the description section of the video. My computer has a Windows operating system. You can download the version that your computer runs on. I choose the exe option. The installation will be completed in a short time. I start the installation by clicking Next. The installation is complete. Secondly, I will download the IntelliJ IDEA. I added the link to the site in the description section of the video. There are community and ultimate versions. I download the community version for Windows, which is free. You can download the version that your computer runs on. You can move on to the installation step by clicking Next. Select the Run option and complete the installation. You can select the Don't Send option. Let's create a new project. I give the project a name. I create the project by clicking the Create button. You can run the Java codes by clicking the Run button. In this video, we installed Java Development Kit and IntelliJ IDEA. I recommend you to watch other Java tutorials.